Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and secure JWT authentication with Auth0 step. To download and secure JWT authentication with Auth0, begin by navigating to the Auth0 website. Create a free account if you don't have one. Once logged in, click on the Applications section from the dashboard. Select plus Create Application to start a new project. Choose the application type that best fits your needs, such as single-page application. After naming your application, click Create. In the application settings, make note of your domain. These credentials will be necessary for your application later. Next, navigate to the API section in the Auth0 dashboard. Click on plus Create API to set up your API. Provide a name for your API and set an identifier, which should be unique. Select the type of signing algorithm you wish to use, typically RS-256. Once completed, click Create. Now, go back to your application settings. Add the allowed callback URLs, allowed logout URLs, and allowed web origins according to your project requirements. Save the changes. Next, you'll need to download the Auth0 SDK for your specific framework. For most front-end applications, this involves installing the Auth0 JavaScript SDK using npm or yarn. Open your terminal and run the appropriate install command, such as npm install at auth0/auth0 react. Wrap your application in the Auth0 provider component, passing in the domain and client ID. This will initialize the Auth0 context for your application. Next, create a login button within your application. Use the Use Auth0 hook to access the login function. Add an onClick event to the button to invoke the login method. For securing your routes, implement a protected route component. Using the Use Auth0 hook again, check if the user is authenticated before allowing access. If not authenticated, redirect the user to the login page. To secure your API, include the necessary authorization headers in your requests. Use the obtained JWT token after login and include it in your API. You can retrieve the token using the getID token silently method from Auth0. In your API, validate the JWT using a library compatible with your backend environment. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.